आयज ड्रग अवेअरनेस प्रोग्राम झाला त्याच्याबद्दल सटान असेल.
As per guidance of our DGP and SP North, we are conducting various programs in all the schools in my area, Kalangut, Salegaon and Porvorim. Yesterday we had conducted one program in Holy Family School especially regarding drug abuse and child abuse. Many cases are happening because of that. People, young boys, as an adventure, they indulge in all these drugs. So we had organized this program to tell them that drug is a serious offense, drug abuse is a serious offense, what is the punishment, and what are the ill effects in them, in their family, and also in the society. So because of that, we had organized this program in schools.
So, as per your analysis, which are the nationalities that are involved in this particular drug trading war? These nationalities, because Goa is a tourism destination and a lot of tourists come. So, as from the tourist department, which nationalities of people you find mostly involved in the drugs?
We have seen many cases are books against African nationals. Mostly they are indulged in
African.
And any measures have been taken by the police to stop the African nationals from entering the
Goa or India?
Time to time we are booking cases. As we receive information, we book cases, we check their travel documents, and if their travel documents are also not valid, we keep them in detention room and they are deported back to their country.